The LG B20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A6 guys. So the Galaxy A6 is going to boost mobile guys, so this is going to be a new thing for boost. So I am on Samsung's website here showing you guys the Galaxy A6. So that's what the phone looks like right there. It looks like a nice phone. And so yeah, I like the wallpaper there. It looks pretty colorful there. I like the the font and whatnot. So let's go check out this thing. So we guys have a front-facing camera, earpiece, sensor, front-facing camera flash, which is a win. You have a volume button on the left side, power button on the right side. There's the left side. There's the left side again. There's the back of it there. And that's the bottom of it. It does have Type-C and a headphone jack, of course. On the back you have a camera flash, Samsung logo, and that's pretty much it. I think it may be dual cameras. It might be dual cameras. It might be yeah. So it's 16 megapixel front and rear cameras. So that's pretty cool there. You have a Super AMOLED display, Android 8.0 Oreo, enhanced camera expanse, and low light. It says introducing Galaxy A6. Right screen, right camera, right price. Alright. The Samsung Galaxy A6 sleek metal design fits naturally in your hand and your pocket. It's immersive 5.6 Super AMOLED Infinity display delivers an entertaining big screen view, while the 16 megapixel front and back cameras allow you to shoot stunning photos even in low light. Plus, you can expand your memory up to 400 GB and to store all your favorite pictures and videos. Not just another smartphone. The Galaxy A6 is just right. So it has a rated screen resolution 5.6 inches. It's Super AMOLED. It has the Infinity display, as you guys will see on flagship phones like the Note 9 or the S9. So that's a win. There's the frame right there. It looks like it has a 16:9 screen. There's your SIM card and the SD card on the left side of the phone, guys. So the battery is not removable. Low light, no problem. Capture the moments you've always wanted with a 16 megapixel rear camera for crisp, clear photos. Keep shooting even as the sun goes down with the f1.7 aperture that helps keep your pictures bright and clear. Elevate your selfies in any light. It has a LED flash in front. It says choose from 3 levels of brightness with the adjustable LED flash and capture your best angle with the 16 megapixel front camera. Then use the built-in filters and stickers to personalize your photos. See more, hold more. See more, hold less. Bring your favorite pictures, videos, websites, and more to life on the 5.6 inch Super AMOLED Infinity display. The edge-to-edge screen maximizes your content with bright, rich colors, while the sleek metal casing fits right into your life and your pocket. Alright, so it has a metal design on it. Pretty cool. More space for what matters. Keep it all with expandable storage with 32 GB of built-in storage and the option to add up to 400 GB with a micro SD card. There's plenty of room for all your photos, videos, and files. Alright, so it has 32 GB of internal storage. It has a micro SD card start up to 400 GB. So that's a win. Unlike fast. Access your phone easily and quickly so you can get right to browsing, watching, or chatting. Choose how you want to unlock with convenient options including fingerprint scan and facial recognition. So it has both fingerprint and facial recognition on this phone, so that's a win. Multitask with ease. With App Pair, your phone keeps up with you. Message your friends while watching a video or change the music without missing a beat. Launch any 2 apps simultaneously and seamlessly transition between them. get more from the Galaxy. With the new Galaxy A6, the Galaxy is at your fingertips. Pair Gear Icon X earbuds to stream music wirelessly. Sync with your Samsung smartwatch to get notifications at your risk and track your workouts. A smarter way to use your phone. Bring up Bixby Vision on your camera to instantly shop for something you see and take a photo, and use Bixby to translate the text, get news, weather, scheduling reminders, and more on Bixby Home without having to open any apps. It has Super AMOLED display, Android 8.0 Oreo, enhanced camera experience, low light, 3000 mAh battery, expandable storage of course, and you guys can see all the specs here. It has a 1.6 GHz processor. It has a 5.6 inch display. It's Super AMOLED. It's 1480 by 720 pixels. It's HD plus. 16 megapixel front-facing camera with LED flash with f1.9 aperture lens. It has a flash, 32 GB of ROM. It has Wi-Fi 8 to 11, ABG and AC dual band Wi-Fi. It has Wi-Fi direct, OS Android 8.0 Oreo, sensors, XR, environmental proximity, light, hail, gyro, compass, fingerprint, 3000 mAh battery, audio, and video there. It services and applications. It has Gear Manager, and it's GPS, of course. It has all the gear apps on there. It has a Super AMOLED display, 16 megapixel rear-facing camera with LED flash, of course, an f1.7 aperture lens. Autofocus on the back camera. Micro SD cards up to 400 gig. Micro USB 2. No, it's actually Type C. It's actually Type C on this. It's Type C charging. NFC, yes. Video playback up to 18 hours. You can play back in up to 4K video resolution at 30 frames there. You have a 16 million colors, video recording at 1080p at 30 frames, Bluetooth 5.0 low energy, headphone jack, and it has PC sync and all that on there. So yeah, there it is, guys, the Samsung Galaxy A6 for Boost Mobile. I don't know when this one's gonna come to Boost. I don't know how much it's gonna cost. I'm gonna say it's gonna be in the 200s. I'm gonna say 230, 250. I'm gonna say it has 2 gigabytes of RAM. I'm gonna say it's a pretty comparable to the Galaxy J7 Refine at Boost Mobile, but I think this they both have similar specs, so I think there's gonna be a bit more. I'm gonna say like around 250 or so for this phone, maybe a bit less, but this phone is gonna be in the 200s, guys, because it's a Samsung phone and you're gonna pay for it. So this one's coming to Boost Mobile. Don't know when, don't know how much it's gonna cost. Like I said, it's gonna be in the 200s. I'm gonna say right around 250, maybe a bit less than 250. But it's going to be around the price of the Galaxy J7 Refine when it was first launched at Boost at 230, somewhere in that neighborhood. These two phones are similarly spec'd. The A6 has better resolution, but the phones are pretty much spec'd, except for the J7 Refine has a bigger battery. The battery does not remove on this phone. So yeah. And it looks like it has a 16:9 screen there. It doesn't look like it has an 18:9 screen there. It might have it, but it's kind of hard to tell if it does have an 18:9 screen or not. So there it is, guys. The Samsung Galaxy A6 coming to Boost Mobile. So yeah, that's all pretty much it there, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.